going to show you a quick and easy way to clean your lip gloss tubes. Today I'm just going to be using some dish liquid to clean and disinfect them. I like for my tubes to at least soak in the water between 10 to 15 minutes to get them clean. After rinsing your tubes, you can stand your tubes up as I am doing in this video. This will allow the water to drain from the tubes and not be left in the tube when you get ready to fill. But I also like to leave my tubes sitting for at least 24 hours.